Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts, and today let's talk about why a sliding patio door may not be the best option for you. Let's go. This door behind me is 12 feet wide, 8 feet tall, right? Most people who have their patio door existing doesn't have a 12-foot opening. They might have a 5-foot, they might have a 6-foot, and that's it. You might even have a 4-foot opening and already currently have a little French door. In that case, I would not suggest changing it to a sliding patio door because for the obvious reasons, you'd slide it about that much and that's gonna be your exit and entry into your home. And that sounds a little ridiculous. If you have a 6-foot door currently or even a 5-foot and it's a sliding patio door, you can go right back to a slider. But let's say for instance, you have an area in your backyard where you would like to have company over, right? And that little sliding patio door, well, it just doesn't offer ease of getting in and out. Maybe you have furniture that you want to get through in the area. You'll see a lot of the new trends of these bifolding doors, and they'll have these massive 15, 16-foot openings. And that's great and all, but not everybody can do that. So a good option is to put a French door there. And that is really, really nice because it'll give you that full 6-foot opening. You open up both and you have this nice opening. This here is 12 feet. So right now, we're just about 6 feet, right? So I stand 6 feet tall. This is probably about 5 foot 8 inches, 5 foot 9 inches. Sliding patio doors are fantastic, right? And if you want big areas like this, if you have the money and the wall space and you want to open it up and make big sliding patio doors because you want all that light and everything that comes with it, that's a fantastic way to go. But let's say you want to save some money and you still want to be able to get maximum amount of space and use of your door. Go with a French door. French doors are beautiful, they're safe, absolutely wonderful. All right guys, I hope you find this video valuable. And really, it's just to say that sliders are not the only option. You can do French doors and you can do other things outside of that scope. But I am just simply saying, you don't always have to go with a slider. All right guys, make it a great day. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.